When asked a question, what is gait analysis? I remember it by Keel, K-K-E-E-L. So basically, it's a systemic description and assessment and measurement. It is two-dimensional video analysis and a computerized motion analysis lab. And it consists of 5 parts, that is Keel. First is kinetic, which measures the force and energy. This data is taken by the force plate. Then is kinematics, that's measure of movement of the body segments, and this is measured by the infrared reflective marker. Then is EMG, in which the individual muscles are tested and checked while patient is moving. Then is energy expenditure, which measures the oxygen consumption and calculates the physiological cost of activity. And L is a linear gait parameter, which measures the step length, cadence, velocity, and foot progression angle.